Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to troubleshoot and fix an issue that's quite common on the Windows, the search function not working. If you've been having a trouble with your Start menu search or File Explorer search, stick around and I'll walk you through the solution step by step. Okay, the first thing we're going to try is resetting Windows Explorer. This is like giving your computer a quick refresh. For that, press Ctrl and Shift and Escape to open Task Manager. Scroll down and find Windows Explorer in the list. Right-click and choose Restart. After that, the screen may flicker for a second, but don't worry, that's normal. Now check if the search is working. If not, let's move on to the next fix. Sometimes the search feature just needs a little nudge to start working again. So we'll try resetting the search service. For that matter, press Windows and R on your keyboard, type Services MSC and hit Enter. Scroll down until you see Windows Search, right-click and select Restart, or you can select Properties and going to start it manually. Easy, right? Now give it a try and see if it's back to normal. If not, don't worry, we've got more tricks up our sleeves. Next, we'll use the built-in troubleshooter. It's like a mini tool that finds and fixes problems with your computer search feature. For that, go to Setting or press Windows and I. Click on Update and Security. On the left side, click Troubleshoot, then click Additional Troubleshooters. Find the Search and Indexing and click Run Troubleshooter. Still no luck? Don't worry, sometimes the search index gets messed up and needs to be rebuilt. Sound technical, but it's really simple. For that, go to the Control panel, search for Indexing option and open it. Click on the Advanced option. Under the index setting, click Rebuild. This might take a little time, but once it's done, your search bar should be back to normal. If your search function is still not working, it might be because of the bug that's already been fixed in the Windows update. Let's make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, open Settings and go to Update and Security, click on Windows Update and hit Check for updates. If there is an update available, install it and restart your computer. This can solve the problem sometimes. And finally, if none of these steps have worked so far, we can try resetting the search with a PowerShell command. Don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Press Windows and X and select Windows PowerShell Admin. Copy and paste this command. I will put it in the description. Hit Enter and wait for it to finish. Once it's done, restart your PC and see if your search bar is working again. And that's it. I hope one of these fixes helped get your Windows search working again. If it did, let me know in the comment which method worked for you. And if you found this video helpful, please like and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.